This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Take a step back in time in this charming colonial and sought-after area. Nice size backyard oasis with canopy covered deck, patio fire pit area, 2 sheds, workshop and areas of planting bed. Beautiful oak wood flooring up and down. Updates along the way include windows, main roof, refreshed open kitchen to dining room. Stainless steel ref, 5-burner gas stove. DW and West/D appliances, new tiled counters, new sink, final flooring in kitchen and fresh paint throughout. Large mud pantry area. Large living room with wood burn fireplace. Large den area can be used for a down bedroom with full bath/shower stall. 400 amp L2 panels.